All right, this is the shell structure example, which is a fun run a grasshopper and translate into the SAP2000. But you need to have some kind of understanding of the grasshopper as their component. All right, here basically I have a rectangle, right? We start with a rectangle footprint, 24 meter by 16 meter, but I have to truncate with this circle. So I draw the circle at the bottom, right? Extends, extrude, and basically cut it and make this surface. So I'm gonna bake it to layer 1, and then I'm gonna move this one to here. So this is the, see the surface, open surface, right? You could see that the surface. The funny thing is, if you only just Rhino can export this one surface into the IGS form, right? I'm using millimeter. Okay, I export. So now SAP, I import IGS, and let me just open it, and then you see that what's happening. So basically, I have the shell surface, but they don't recognize my the circle, even though Rhino show there is circle, right? So it's a most likely numerical their definition surface somehow doesn't have those information inside. So what I need to do here, this surface, I have to convert it to the mesh. So this mesh, right? And here define mesh, preview, and okay. So you see that now it seems like the mesh recognize this geometry, so they added some refined meshes. So surface, I'm gonna delete it. This is mesh, but now this mesh it cannot export into the IGS. So this mesh doesn't, you see that if I try to export it, it said it doesn't support it, which means this mesh I need to convert back to the surface again. So I use this some component, I assign the mesh and convert it back to surface. So this surface I'm gonna bake to this layer 5. All right, so this is my mesh, the surface. So this surface I'm gonna export again to, now because this is a file already I made it, I'm gonna overwrite it. So this is I'm gonna change this one, surface, and convert it to surface. Hold on, seems like I select both. I need to delete the mesh. Okay, so this is only I select surface, I export surface, right? Surface, surface, surface. So I'm gonna export. Okay, so I think before I select both mesh and surface. So now I'm gonna re-import IGS file I created. So this one. So this is 3-step so far. And let's see. So this is the one, the how I convert from in original surface, I convert to mesh, and mesh to surface, I create this and export and import to the SAP. Okay, so this is the end of the video.